Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how can we plot the VWAP in FinNIFTY and MidCapNIFTY in the trading view. Actually, many of you pinged me regarding the plotting of VWAP in FinNIFTY and MidCapNIFTY. Although the same can be plotted in Nifty and Bank Nifty, there is a workaround to achieve this. Now, currently we are in the Bank Nifty chart. So in Nifty and in Bank Nifty, we can plot the VWAP. But if we change to FinNIFTY or MidCap Nifty, okay, the VWAP won't be plotted. We can see here, this is the FinNIFTY. So VWAP won't be plotted. And if we select the MidCap Nifty also, we can see that the VWAP won't be plotted. Okay. Now we will see how this can be sorted. Currently, we are in the Nifty 50 chart. So, what we will do is, we will open the Pine editor. Okay. Here, click this open. Go to the new indicator. So, we got this template. We will give the name for this indicator. We will change the name. That is VWAP Trader Chitra. Then you can add your name according to your requirement. Okay. So, comma overlay equal to true to plot the VWAP. So, why we are giving overlay? That is to plot the VWAP over the candles. You can follow the further steps to customize it. String instrument equal to SIM info equal to symbol information, okay, dot ticker ID. Next is mapped sim equal to switch instrument. NSE Nifty underscore mid underscore select equal to NSE MidCap Nifty. Next is NSE colon CNX Finance equal to NSE colon FinNIFTY. SIM-info dot ticker ID. Derived underscore VWAP equal to request dot security open braces mapped symbol. TA dot VWAP. TA is called technical analysis. Next is plot VWAP plot derived underscore VWAP, comma title. What is the title we are going to give? That is called derived VWAP. Next is color. Color equal to, here I am going to give the color as blue. So you can give the color according to your requirement. Line width equal to 2. So that also you can give according to your wish. Okay. Now click on save. Okay. Give the name as script name VWAP Trader Chitra. You can give the name according to your wish. Click save. Okay. Add to chart. We can see that VWAP is plotted automatically. So this is a Nifty. So we are going to change this as CNX Finance. Okay. So here we can see that the VWAP plotted automatically. We can check the same in the Nifty Midcap. Alright. Here also we can see that the VWAP is plotted. Okay. Since it is not been available, we are getting the VWAP from the futures. This is our Bank Nifty weightage script. So we will add this indicator here. So it will be a combination of all these scripts. This is the Pine editor. So we have pasted this code here. Alright. Now click on update on chart. Save and update on chart. So here we can see that the Bank Nifty weightage is plotted on the right hand side. Also we can see the VWAP. So we are going to the now CNX Finance. So here also we can see that the VWAP and Bank Nifty weightage chart also got plotted. I have shared the script in my Telegram channel, that is Trader Chitra, and the same can be copied from the file section. This is my Telegram channel Trader Chitra, currently having 8,000 plus subscribers. So here I will be posting the Nifty and Bank Nifty support and resistance level for next day trading. That is every evening I will be posting those levels. Okay. So here I have posted today that Bank Nifty major level is 45,786. Okay. From there we can see that Bank Nifty gave a fall and I told the target as 45,682. So that is also got achieved. Okay. So here I will be sharing the live levels. This is a free channel. So those who are doing intraday Nifty and Bank Nifty can join this channel. Okay. So here I'll be posting all the levels, that is what is the next support for Nifty also I have shared, that is 19,902. So that is also got achieved today. So here I have shared Bank Nifty 45,337. If it breaks only it's weak, else we may see the reversal. We can see that exactly at 45,337 Bank Nifty took the support and made a high of 45,500 plus. So here this is the free channel. So here I will be sharing the Nifty and Bank Nifty live levels. So those who are doing intraday can join this channel. Okay. So I will be sharing the VWAP code here and the same can be copied from the file section. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.